Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are doing well, so welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. And today's episode is about something fundamental, and I decided to do it early because we will use it throughout our course. So today we're gonna learn about three things: blocks, comments, and indentation. And indentation and blocks actually work together, and comments are a different thing. I have here a Python script, and comments is this that start with this sign. So comments are just a text to explain your code or to mark your code, right? And this text will not be printed and will not be executed. It's a just say, for example, here printed, and say that the output will be 1, 2, 3. And we have single line comments and multiple line comments. For example, let's write a single line comment by clicking RGR and 3 number on my keyboard, which means that this block of code or this lines of code will be checking the student's age, and then another comment when we start checking the student's grades, and another part when we print show the results, right? And in every stage or in every part you write your code. For example, if you want to check for the student's age, you will do some if statements that we will study in the next episodes, we will learn in the next episodes. And when you check for the grades, you're gonna also use some if statement, and when you show the results, you're gonna print the statements on the screen. This is a way to use comments just to make other people understand your code, or make yourself understand your code and understand what you are doing, right? So we have a single line comment and we have a multiple line comment. And a multiple line comment start with 3 codes like this. Let me just write some stuff here. For example, hello, and then 3 codes. Now everything gonna be a comment, and then it ends with the 3 double quotes. Okay, 1 double quote, 2 double quotes, and 3 double quotes, and it ends with the 3 double quotes. Now everything here from here to here is a comment in multiple lines. Okay, this is a single line comment and this is a multiple line comment. If we run our code, we have nothing to print. As I said before, Python or any other language, they do not execute comments. They are just like a text to guide you throughout your coding. So that's it for comments. Now I'm gonna write something that we didn't learn, but x equals 4, and then if x is bigger than 5, then we're gonna write some stuff, print x, and then else print 5. So as you see here, we have a space here, which is about 4 spaces or a tab, and we have a space here. What does this mean in programming? In general, this is called indentation, okay? And this is called a block of code, and this is another block. So indentation is made to make you know your blocks of code and to make Python know where each block ends. So we have the if block. If x is bigger than 5, we have some stuff to do here, and all the stuff will have this space until we exit or we go out from this block of code and go to the else block. And the else block also has its space, and any other block will have its space. The space means that this stuff belongs to this block, okay? If we don't have a space, for example, here we have a condition: if x is what? If x is bigger than 5, x equals 4. So if x is bigger than 5, print x, else print 5, or print, let's say print 10. So in our example, x is not bigger than 5, so 10 will be printed on the screen. But if we don't use this space, and let's just do nothing here. Okay, let's write nothing, just pass. Now this is not in our else block. So let's say that x is 6. Now Python will print 6. Why? We told Python if x is bigger than 5, then print x, which is 6. And in the else statement, there is nothing. You may think that this belongs to the else statement, but no, it's outside the else statement. So Python will again print 10. Python will execute this as a line of code, and it's not in the else statement. But if we make it in the else statement, Python will print only 6 because it executed this block of code and find that x is really bigger than 5, so there is no need to execute this block of code. If x is not bigger than 5 too, then the else statement will be executed, okay? And 10 is printed on the screen. I hope this video was useful. If it was useful, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, please comment them down below, and stay safe.